Hi everyone!
What's the new experiment? Okay. So mommy got a half a tissue. One for you. And this is for mommy, okay?
Okay.
We are going to color rainbows here, okay? From this both side we color rainbow.
Yay, yay, yay!
Okay, we start
I'm
with,
yellow.
look mommy doing, okay? Mommy starts with pink this side. At the corner. Then orange color. See, you want to do like that same way?
I'm the yellow.
Okay, you can do whatever color in this corner, okay? And then yellow. Green. Blue. And purple. It's okay, you did this. You did that one, so you can do the other one. Okay, mommy is holding. It's okay. See? This is mine. Turn around the other side. This side. Yeah, like it? Okay, next what we need 2 glasses of water.
I'm too happy.
One for you. One has some water here.
More water.
More water. This is your glasses and these are mommy's.
Can I put it like this?
Yeah, we're going to do like that. Okay, you wait for mommy. Wait for me, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
It looks too big.
More water is in. See? What's happening? What's happening there?
The water's guided.
Water is
Guided!
it's going up through the paper serviette, right?
Yeah, but mine's
So both colors going to go and meet.
but mine not.
Let's see who's going to win first.
Mine.
Yeah? Good. Let's see who's going to win first.
Not you, not you, not you.
Leah, you remember we did similar experiment last week as well? That water travels through the paper towel? We call this process capillary action. It is how water climb up through small spaces like this paper towel. It's like the water is crawling up all by itself. Look, the water is going up the paper towel like it's climbing a ladder. That's called capillary action. It helps flowers to drink water from the ground. Do you know how flowers drink water from their stems? That's capillary action helping the water go up from the ground all the way up to the petals. That's called capillary action. It's so cool, right?
Yeah? See, the water has traveled to the middle with this ink. Yeah?